My name is Mr. Steve. I'm a storyteller.
Hello everybody, it's me, Mr. Steve, and we're gonna have a fun time reading this book today. This is Finny Animals.
15.
15 animals. But first, how are you? I'm okay. It's alright to not be feeling good. Let's read. I really like animals, and them a lot. 15 animals is that what I got.
Show the picture to him.
I've gotten 15 animals. They are really and tame. And I've gotten each one a special name. I've got a cat named Bob. I got a dog named Bob. And 2 fish called Bob and Bob. Then there's Bob, my hamster, and Bob, my horse. Here, let me show you pictures. I forgot. My piglet, known as Bob, of course. There's my rabbit Bob and his bunny wife Bob. And their kids, Bob, and Bob.
Did you just belch?
There's Bob the mouse and Bob the bird. And my turtle.
Simon James Alexander Rexdale III.
Simon James Alexander Rexdale the third. That's it. Woo! For this story on Storytime with Mr. Steve. I hope you like the story, and I hope you like Storytime. And everything I have to say because I'm a guy on YouTube. Bye!